So, I'm a little premature, I'll admit. You can see this is my trailer that I'm working on. I still got, even though I glued this down with some construction adhesive, I have to redo it. So anyways, the biggest reason I'm showing this now is my lights. Okay, we'll go through that. Right now it's on a battery, obviously. I don't have it plugged in. This is all my wiring. You can see, if you know, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I'm a big fan of LEDs. And, I'm a big fan of silicone. So I'll just go through this with you real quick. You can see I've got see right there. Okay, solder connection there. There's my wire. All the wires going to here. Okay, I've got a marker light there. Everything's LED. Now I've got a strip. This is a strip of amber. See, I had a little splice point that I had to make there. Again, silicone is my friend. Okay, continuing on. This is all amber LED strip. Okay, and then you can see right here, this is just a regular switch like you have on the side of your house. Okay, box just like you have mounted on the outside of your house. I did all the splicing in here. I've got my backup light, my reverse light. This is my turn, tail, and stop light. Okay, like I said, you can see everything is connected to a wire. Okay, and I've got the switch wired in. Okay, I did the same thing over here. I've got the LED here. This is the white LED strip, the amber LED strip. Again, silicone here, all the way down. This is a straight run all the way down. Okay, to the end. Now here, you can see what I did there. Exposed the LED there and there, and I had to make a short little jumper. So what it is, it comes from the power source, right now the battery, and one leg goes that way, goes down, and then comes back. Okay, here same thing. It comes down, comes through one of these wires, comes down, goes all the way down, comes all the way back. Now you can see my light just turned off. So let me turn this on. Okay. And of course I just stapled the LED here. You can see it's a T50 staple. Okay, I actually hit the strip there a little bit, but it still works. Okay, and I did the same thing here. You can see T50. Okay, these are weatherproof LEDs. They've got the that gel coating, if you will, whatever. Okay, you can see I have a splice point there. I've got a splice point there. You can't see it real well. If I turn the lights on, it's not going to help any. But what it is I ended up having some extra white LED. So I cut out a section, and then I just made a solder bridge, and then I just gooped it with silicone, because silicone is my friend. So that's what I got. Biggest thing I'm proud of is this right here. That is so awesome. It's bright, so when I'm loading the trailer up at night, I'll be able to see tools and extension cord down there, whatever. So anyways, yeah, and that's why I put the switch in, is because I didn't want these to be on when I'm driving down the road. So when I'm driving down the road, I turn my, I have my plugged into my truck, of course, turn the lights on. That's going to turn on this stuff, obviously minus the backup. And it's going to turn on my amber here. Okay. And, but I wanted a way to be able to, so as not to blind people. And then I didn't paint this wood black. I may tape over it and paint it, but when I'm done with everything, I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat the crap out of this. So it's got the silicone on all the splices, and it's got the it's gonna have the clear coat, which is gonna help with the UV protection, and all the, you can see I got wires up in there, and there's wires here, wires here, wires here. The clear coat will help with the UV to a degree, but the fact that all these wires are kind of tucked out of the way, that's going to help protect the UV also. So that's what I got. Oh yeah, and I got this here too. I made this up. I'm not sure what size plate I'll be getting, so I can actually put a standard size plate in here. And that what that is in there is I made this up before my weatherproof LEDs came in. So what I did is this is all gooped up with silicone. I just siliconed the shit out of this. Of course, this wire is spliced in. Again, that's just a regular box like you have on the side of your house, whatever. So, but like I said, I'm doing this a little prematurely because probably gonna make another video. If you've seen the other video, you know I've got amber LEDs underneath the frame. Okay. And I want to do another video when I have everything all said and done, and I can plug it into my truck, and I can fully test everything. And did I do load calculations? No. I mean, come on, man. This is all LED. So what LED draws, what, a quarter of what incandescent does. So, and then if I do put a battery back here, which I'm thinking about putting a battery back in there somewhere, building that in, so I can use this without having to plug it into my truck. And if I have the battery, then I'm not worried about drawing off of the truck's power, because the truck's power is just going to be used to activate the relay. So, but anyways, yeah, this switch here was gray. The box, this one and the one on the other side, you can see they're dark brown. They're not gray, obviously, or white. They're dark brown, but I couldn't get this in a dark brown, so I just black spray paint. But yeah, I mean, that's, look at the lighting that produces. So yeah, when I go to load it up, I'll be able to see what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, all I have to do now is I'm going to build some sides here, because it's not going to be open, and it's not going to be open like this. And then of course I'm going to put a sheet of wood up front, so all that wire that you see exposed is going to be concealed. A relay or two that I'm going to stick inside there. I may, like I said, I may do a battery. I don't know, but I'm just so happy that I got this got my LEDs. So, anyways, I'll have one more video on the trailer. Once it's all done, you'll see all the tail lights and the brake lights, and you'll see everything in operation, plugged in operation. So, but for right now, that's what I got. If you watched the last video, you know I had it extended out. That's all my construction adhesive that didn't stick, but I had it extended from here to here, and then I had these put in. I forgot to have my welder weld on some brackets for the lights, so I went to the store. I got me some bolts. I happen to already have the flat iron, the flat bar here, so that wasn't a big deal. So I had to buy some bolts, cut them up. Wasn't a big deal. So, anyways, I will, like I said, I'll be finishing this video. Probably got one more video next left on the trailer, and we'll see how it's coming along. I mean, I'm not a big DIY guy as far as automotive or whatever, but any projects that come along that can potentially help anyone, I'm all for it. Give you some ideas. I don't know how many trailers out there have lights, a lighting system inside the trailer. If you ask me, that's pretty titties, but that's just a thought, something you can do. So until the next video, that's all for now. Thank you. Goodbye.